Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine to help me prepare for a protective style, and this also helps with hair growth. So I'm going to be using my hair growth collection from Lavish Curls Beauty, my business, and I'm going to be starting off with the African Black Growth Shampoo. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's continue. So as you guys can see, I'm using my African Black Growth Shampoo, and you see automatic lather. This product, a lot of my customers always talk about the lather. Has amazing lather, and this shampoo does not strip your hair whatsoever. It is made with all natural ingredients such as aloe vera juice, tea tree, peppermint, rosemary, and lavender to help promote healthier hair growth. And aloe vera is really what's going to help replenish that moisture into your hair so it doesn't just dry out from the African black soap. African black soap can usually be drying, but when mixed with aloe vera juice, it really helps to balance it out so that your curls do not dry out. So I did go ahead and do the other side of my head, and then I rinsed out this shampoo. And you know, we got to get into our deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner we're using is the Honey Growth Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, which is also from the Hair Growth Collection. This was one of the first deep conditioners I ever made, so this is my baby. I love it. It has a ton of slip, and it really does help to lock in moisture because it does have honey in it, and honey is a humectant, which helps to contain moisture in our hair. So this deep conditioner actually contains aloe vera juice, which is actually very moisturizing and helps to seal in moisture to your hair as well, but also gives your hair shine, and it helps with your curl definition. So I twisted up one side of my head and was doing some detangling, and this product has very easy detangling. It has slip. It also has some glycerin in it, not too much. It has castor oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, mango butter, nettle extract, burdock extract, rosemary, lavender, tea tree, and peppermint. So it is also that blend of hair growth ingredients that's really going to help to promote faster hair growth for you. So as you can see, I pretty much have easy detangling, and I always use a tangle teaser when I detangle my hair, and then I'm just going to go ahead and twist that section up, and that's how I detangle my hair. So after I have all the sections twisted, I leave it on for 30 minutes, rinse it out, and this is how my curls is popping. So now to get into my protective style, I always use my hair growth oil. This hair growth oil really helps to stimulate faster hair growth. It helps to stop hair loss and thinning, promotes faster hair growth, really stimulates the blood circulation on your scalp. It helps with itchy scalp. It helps with dandruff. Like, it's an all over just amazing oil. So I just apply that directly to my scalp, give it a nice massage, and it's going to promote hair growth. You can use this hair growth oil every day, every other day, just as much as you need to, and it has a nice cooling effect and feels so good. There's also an aloe and fenugreek leave-in growth spritz in this collection, but I didn't use it today. So to lock in moisture, I'm going to be using my Mango Moisture hair growth butter. This helps to make your hair thicker, but it really helps to seal in moisture and is perfect for a protective style. It's also good if you want to do styles like wash and goes, braid outs, twist outs, but today I'm just mostly using it as like a sealant slash moisturizer because I'm just going to put my hair in 2 braids, and then you see in the front I kind of sectioned it off for a leave out because I'm going to be wearing a half wig. So to promote hair growth underneath this wig, I will be using my hair growth oil and my Mango Moisture hair growth butter. And when I take my braids out in a week or so, my hair is going to still be flourishing, healthy, and nice. So love this. And the mango butter is made with mango butter and shea butter in it. And it has the castor oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil to help promote faster hair growth. So if you guys are interested in my products, definitely head over to lavishcurlsbeauty.com. You guys know I link everything in the description box below. So yeah, guys, super moisturizing product. My hair has flourished so much with using this hair growth collection. You guys have seen my hair flourish, and just look at one half of my head and how thick it is. So yeah, this growth collection is definitely a must-have. I recommend it to everybody if they are trying to grow their hair longer, thicker, stronger, and healthier. It really is just an all-around amazing collection for that. So yeah, I've been using it for the past year and a half now, and just results is going crazy. So I am just doing a little French braid on both sides, just working that product in, and yeah, A lot of my customers have seen hair growth. If you want to see like customer reviews for each product, once again, lavishcurlsbeauty.com. You can click on like whatever product you're interested in and just look at the customer reviews, and they will be on there. And I also do have separate videos on this channel breaking down each product and showing like a product's use of it. But yeah, I'm just going to finish up that braid, and then I'm going to be doing the same type of braid on the other side of my head. And that is pretty much it for how I prep my hair for a protective style and help it aid in healthy hair growth. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.